Bumblebee Challenger in here today, all the way from Gainesville, or Jasper, I think, right outside of Gainesville, little town, alright? It's an SXT model, so we don't want to go too crazy, but the customer wanted us to delete the rear mufflers and put some nice quad tips, so that's exactly what we did. Cut the mufflers off here, rerun it with some straight pipes, new hangers, and then dual 4-inch double wall black tips. Let's fire it up. Alright guys, we got a 2020 SCAT PACK in here. Same thing as always, mid-muffler delete. Alright? 2020 SCAT PACK, mid-muffler delete. Alright? Bring it down, fire it up.
Give me one more rep, yo.